All right guys, so today is Audi S4 day, and as you can see below me, there is a huge box with a ton of wrapping paper because this is the carbon fiber intake from 034 Motorsports, and I'm super excited because this thing is going to be whooshing and whooshing all over the place. And look at this beauty.
Carbon fiber goodness.
Okay, there's way too much wrapping on this, which means they really care. So that is the housing, that is the filter.
That is beautiful.
And then the intake, I still think, is the second piece.
USA?
USA, baby.
That looks really sick.
And you have the authenticity sticker. I love that 034 Motorsports does that.
That's so nice. Look at that. Carbon fiber everywhere.
Yeah, I know.
This engine bay is going to look so much nicer in a second here. And what is that final piece you got there?
This is the air duct that goes into the actual housing. So
everything is carbon.
I got the full system, basically.
Yes, sir.
And again, another sticker, the way we want it.
Stickers everywhere. Authentic, baby. Authentic.
Look at this. And that is going to go right here.
So what kind of gains are we talking here? 50, 100 horsepower?
I'm thinking about like 2 horsepower, maybe with a Tune 5. You know?
Nice, let's go. All right, first step. What do we got to do here?
Yeah, so you got to take this off. I already pushed this in. You just push in there on that little button. This thing comes right up. And then we got to take this guy off, which we've done already, and it's very easy.
This is the hardest step by far. Oh man, look at that. Look at that power.
2 seconds of work.
Look at that power.
2 seconds. Put these to the side.
Engine's a bit hot. Been doing some racing or what? You went to race horse?
A little bit. You know what? Let's pop this off because we're gonna need to access this.
Yeah, go ahead.
And this is actually very hot.
Wow, another difficult job here, man.
Wow, this is burning.
Are you a mechanic?
You know what? Sometimes.
Sometimes. Turb ski.
Yep.
The cat ski, and speaking of cat.
Oh yeah, show them.
Speaking of cat, look at this beautiful, beautiful cat right here. What company is this from?
034 Motorsport.
034, let's go. Sending us absolutely everything. Beautiful.
T25 torque screw, one right there, and one right there, and this guy's popping out. Okay, that's out. Easy peasy. And then this guy should just wiggle out. And that was very easy.
Okay, that was simple.
There we go.
Nice.
And now we have to undo this guy, and then this just literally pops out.
Awesome.
And that is it.
Two hose clamps you got to take off?
Yes, 1 and 2, and we've got the 7mm, or you can use a screwdriver. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay.
Seems pretty straightforward.
We just loosen it. That should be good enough. Same thing right there. Just nice and loose.
This does seem like a pretty quick job.
Oh yeah, definitely. We've done some much more difficult installs, that's for sure. And then from my understanding, you just pull.
Nice.
And you're out there. Pull there. That's out.
Perfect.
Put this down. Apparently you don't have to take these off, it just...
Wow. Wow.
That was a little bit too easy.
A little too easy.
So we have the grommets, 1, 2, and there should be a third. And these will carry over into the new one, so they just come right off. Nice and dirty. All right, so this is the stock box, and that is the stock filter, and this is the 034 Motorsport aftermarket, so quite the difference. A little more dense and definitely going to be louder.
Yeah.
So we put the air duct in before. We might have to take it out just before install, but we're gonna try doing it as one whole piece. And I've gone ahead and installed this, and then I'm just gonna tighten these clamps, and that should pretty much be it. And then this last piece, and that's it, right?
Yep, seems like an easy job.
All right, so as we thought, the duct came out, which is okay, we'll do this after. So we just put this guy through, put it right into here. We're gonna tighten these down, and that's it. All I did was spin this to get the fin right,
fitment right?
Yeah, the fitment right, and that is it.
Okay, let's start clamping these away. That logo looks really nice on there.
Oh yeah.
Same as that one, actually. That's super tasteful, I think.
I like that they put it on everything, it just pops.
Yep.
Okay, almost. And then you're gonna give it a little jiggle once it's on, just to make sure. All right, try to see if you can. Pretty good?
Yeah, that's on there good.
Just in case.
That is on there really good.
All right, so everything is in. We pulled this guy into place. There's 2 bolts again. And this initial, I guess, air duct or air director, I don't know what to call it. These guys go right in there.
And then you just got to put those screws in?
Yeah, and that's it. Okay. Cool.
Alrighty, so there is the finished product, the 3-piece carbon looking mean from 034 Motorsports. Now, there's only one thing left to do.
What could it be?
Let's hear this thing purr, shall we? How crazy is that,
Holy
eh?
cow, I love that. The
Crazy.
whoosh. One more.
One more, all right.
I love it.
All right, well, that is the install of the 034 Motorsports carbon fiber cold air intake.
Yeah, that went very well.
That did. It was a super easy job as well, and I think there's one more thing to do here.
It went so quick that we're gonna do the transmission mount insert, also from 034 Motorsport.
Yes, sir.
And that is gonna be very quick.
What is that gonna do for the car?
So essentially, there's a bit of movement in the transmission, and what it's gonna do is it fills the voids, and there's gonna be no like transmission slop. It's just gonna be nice and snappy.
Alrighty, so we are doing the transmission insert now. You want to go ahead and take it over here, bud?
Yep. Just quickly, if you want to show this. So this is a triple square 10mm.
Okay.
You got to buy one of these, and that is all you need.
Okay, awesome.
So pass me that. Let us go in here. All right, guys, so this is the transmission mount insert. As you can see, those are the 2 triple squares we're removing, and then there is a gap around where it's going to fill, and that will be pretty much it. So let's do that, and we'll put the new one in. All right, so this is the original transmission mount insert. As you can see, completely different. Again, 034 Motorsport product. Let's open it. So this one is billeted metal. Nice logo there. They even put the part number on there. And that just goes in like that, whereas this one was like this. We're reusing these old screws here. Gonna go right through. I'm gonna put a little bit of Loctite, and that will be it. Okay, so we have the transmission mount nicely fitted in here, filling all the gaps. It's a little tight to work underneath here because I haven't really raised the car too much. But I'm gonna go ahead and put those bolts in, a little bit of Loctite, and that should be it. Okay, so it has been torqued to spec, 25 Newton meters with this electronic torque wrench. This is really handy. I'm glad I got it. And now all we need to do is go for a drive and see if we feel any difference, and go from there. So I'm gonna put it in manual here. Let's see.
That sounds so much better. That sounds so much better.
Oh my goodness, first pull.
Yeah.
I was not expecting it to be that loud.
That is so
I heard that initial and I was like, oh, that was pretty good. And it was like, pacha.
Yeah. That's so nice. Oh. Hopefully the camera picks it up because it's so nice.
Oh yeah, like you have to be here. And then when that cat goes in too.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice.
Oh my goodness, I love these 034 parts.
Oh, that sounds so good.
And the shifts are so snappy.
Oh my. Yeah, that sounds amazing. Let go. That is ridiculous. All of that with just a cold air intake.
Just an intake, beautiful carbon fiber. I can't wait till the stage 1 or stage 2. And then the cat.
This is gonna be insane sounding.
Oh my goodness.
This is gonna be insane.
This car needs it 100%.
034 killed it, man.
Big time. There's nothing more to say. And the car has been transformed, as you guys have seen. The transmission mount insert makes the shifts nice and snappy. You really have to feel it to know what I'm talking about. And the intake just goes whoosh all day long. Like, what do you think?
Definitely worth it. Honestly, like, I think every stock S4 needs this. Like, I don't know why people wouldn't get this.
Yeah, they come out of the box. There's so much tunability. They just hit up 034.
It took us 20 minutes. This is the most simple install we ever did.
Yeah, compared to the other mods we've done, this is so easy.
Yeah,
034 Motorsports, guys. Check them out. Sure. Big shout out for them to, for partnering with me to do this. We absolutely love it. And as always, guys, subscribe, like this video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one as the builds continue. Peace out.
Peace.